Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Versa headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new H4 headlight bulb and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your Nissan Versa is completely off and the engine has cooled down. This ensures your safety and prevents any burns. Now, open the hood to get a clear view of the headlight assembly from above. Next, locate the back of the headlight assembly, which is usually visible once the hood is open. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the tab on this connector and pull it straight off. After disconnecting the power, carefully remove the round rubber dust cover. This cover protects the bulb, and taking it off will reveal the bulb itself. Now, you'll see a metal retaining spring holding the bulb firmly in its socket. Push down on the spring and unclip it from its hook. Once the spring is released, you can carefully pull the old headlight bulb straight out. When inserting the new H4 bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Finally, push the metal retaining spring back into place to secure the new bulb. Reattach the rubber dust cover and then reconnect the electrical connector. Before closing everything up, turn on your Nissan Versa and test the headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, you can close the hood. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.